Okay, in this video we're going to look at C++ iterators. So iterators are objects that work like pointers. Iterators are used to access data stored in containers. We can use iterator to iterate over the contents of a container. There are 5 categories of iterators: forward, bidirectional, random access, input, output. For example, forward can only move forward in a container. It uses the increment operator, the double plus sign. Bidirectional can move backward, forward or backward in a container using the increment or decrement operators, so the plus plus and the minus minus operators. The compiler will automatically chooses the right type of iterator based on the type of container you are using. For example, vector, list, array, string, etc. How we define an iterator with syntax here. We have the container type on the left, for example, list, array, vector, etc. The double colon sign, the keyword iterator, and we give it a name. So here is a little program that demonstrates the use of a iterator. Here we are defining an array object. We've given it some values in the elements there. We're creating a iterator for this array object. So you can see the syntax here. It's a string type container, the keyword iterator, and we're naming it IT. And it's an array type container. So output to the screen, just a little string there. Then we're going to loop through this array using an iterator. So you can see here we've got an iterator on the right hand side getting assigned to the iterator on the left. So names.begin, names is a name of the array object, and the begin method points to the first element in the container and returns an iterator. So it's pointing to the first element here, which is John. It's going to assign that to IT. We're going to stop when we get to the end of this array object here. So the end method will return a iterator again to the left hand side, and we're going to increment that iterator through the array. The second line here will print out to the terminal. You notice the asterisks on the left there of the iterator that we assigned there, IT. So the indirection operator, the asterisks, we use here to dereference the iterator, getting the element it points to. So we're getting the actual the value of each element here by dereferencing the iterator. And you can see the output of this line here through the for loop is here, John, Meg, Bill and Sarah.